Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 28 how to block someone on YouTube on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to the channel you wish to block. So we can go to account, go to YouTube, search for a channel. I'll just be using my second channel as a demo channel. QuickTime Technology, we have used this channel for the previous videos. Click on this, search, go to the channel itself, go to About, click on the flag, and then we can block the user. Blocking the user will prevent them from commenting on the videos you have uploaded. Submit. Yes. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.